In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Pikachu filter on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and then visit this profile right there called Gracia Maryland. So that's Gracia Maryland. She actually has a lot of nice filters. Now next up, click on the filter icon in the middle. So it's between the feed, tags, and then right there you have the filters. Next up, scroll all the way down. And then right there, you can actually see the Pikachu filter. Then click on it. Next up, click on try it. And then as you can see right there, you can actually go ahead and get the Pikachu filter yourself. So if you want to do that, then simply follow the steps in this video and then that should work. If this works out for you, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I post daily videos, simple tutorial videos like this about Instagram filters and just simple life hacks as well. So if you want to do that, I would really appreciate that. Once again, leave a like if this works, and then I hope you enjoy your Pikachu filter. Peace out.